There are a lot of car insurance companies out there to choose from, so how do we know which one to choose? How do we know that a certain company is going to be the right choice for us? When deciding which company to choose, there are quite a few things one should look for. You shouldn't make a choice based on one single factor, but on combinations of what you feel are the most important factors for you. These factors commonly fall into one of four car insurance categories: price, service, coverage, or stability. The first of these, price, is the most obvious factor that we all think of. We all want to pay as little as possible for the coverage we need, but instead of determining whether a carrier's rates are good compared to your current or prior rate, one should look at the rates of all optional companies. It's not uncommon to get 2 or 3 quotes from different companies and believe that the lowest one is the best. What you should realize, though, is that the rates of auto insurance companies vary widely for different drivers. If a company is the cheapest for a certain driver, it may not be the cheapest for all drivers. Always compare the rate quotes of at least 5 companies, this ensures a competitive rate. If you find a company offering the coverage you need for a reasonable price, then you can begin to look a bit further into other factors such as service. Customer service is very important, and should definitely be taken into consideration when choosing a car insurance company. If you base your choice solely on price, then you may not receive the service you deserve. A good way of determining the service a company offers is to ask someone else who uses the company. Ask them if they're satisfied with the company, and if they would recommend the company. Also, you can contact the company via a customer service number and ask a simple question, something like, "Do you offer discounts for married drivers?" This gives you an idea of their hold times, and lets you see the friendliness of the representatives. Of course, assessing what your coverage needs are should be based on what you need and what you can afford. If your vehicle is low in value, you may consider waiving comprehensive and collision coverage, which covers your vehicle in case of damage or theft. Experimenting with high deductibles can also help you see price differences. You may be shocked to see that some valuable coverage can be quite inexpensive. Finally, the stability of a company is very important. After all, if your car insurance company goes out of business before they get to your claim, you're on the same boat as those with no insurance at all. The stability of a company is called financial strength, and there are independent agencies that issue letter grades to companies based on their financial strength. Finding just the right auto insurance isn't always easy, but knowing what to look for, and how to find out if a company will offer it, is key to finding just the right coverage for you. By following the above advice, you are sure to find exactly the right fit for your car, your bank account, and your family's needs. Share this video and subscribe for